Every morning, many families across India begin their day with courage, living with sickle cell disease, an inherited blood disorder that drains strength and opportunity. Normal red blood cells are soft and flexible and are therefore able to slip and squeeze through the tiniest capillaries. In sickle cell disease, a mutation in the gene coding for hemoglobin causes the hemoglobin to polymerize. Due to such polymerization, the RBCs become rigid and hardened to become crescent-shaped. When these hardened and rigid RBCs pass through small capillaries having a very small human diameter, because of their hardness and rigidness, they are unable to squeeze through and move ahead. This causes blockages in small capillaries. Such blockages are extremely painful and are called vaso-occlusive crisis or vaso-occlusive events, often requiring recurring hospitalization. Such blockages impair oxygen delivery, cause localized tissue damage, and also lead to cumulative organ damage, chronic anemia, impaired immune function, chronic malnutrition, and impaired growth. Such vaso-occlusive crises cause excruciating pain, agony, mental and emotional distress, and significant trauma for patients living with sickle cell disease. At the same time, hospitalizations due to vaso-occlusive crisis represent the single largest cost component in SCD management. Recurrent hospital admissions not only burden patients and families, but also place increased pressure on already limited healthcare resources such as ICU beds and ventilators, which are frequently needed for other critically ill patients. Therefore, the vital key in SCD management is to adopt interventions that can effectively reduce the frequency, severity, and intensity of vaso-occlusive crisis. With proven, safe, and approved interventions, we can transform the future for thousands of families living with sickle cell disease and give them the chance to lead fuller, healthier lives.